guys, today we're going to learn the take number 5.3c, that is division, long division. Our objective is we will know how to fluently divide 4 digits by 2-digit numbers. We will understand how to solve 4 digits by 2-digit division using long division strategies. And we will be able to describe the long division process to a partner. Okay, for this lesson, again, you will need your journal, a pen, and a pencil. Remember, a journal, pen, and pencil, and please be ready to learn. Okay guys, here's my math journal. So like I said, you have your math journal in front of you. Let's open it to our next blank page. We already did the 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication anchor chart. So this will be our anchor chart for today, Monday. Okay, you're going to write your title with the pen. And again, you can write your title with the pen because just to make it a little bit colorful. Okay, so we're going to write long division. Our take number is 5.3c, like I said earlier, and that we always write on the side, so we can always go back to it whenever we need to practice or review. Okay, we're going to start off with the vocabulary, so I'm going to write on the top right here, vocabulary. This is a vocabulary that you will need for division. Okay, the first vocabulary word that you need is the word divisor. What is the word? Divisor. So you're going to write divisor. Okay, we're going to write the definition of that word right next to it for divisor. Divisor is a number divided into another number. That is a divisor. It is a number divided into another number. The next word is dividend. Dividend. Again, if you need to pause the video, you can if I'm going too fast. A dividend is a number that is to be divided by another number. Okay, dividend, a number that is to be divided by another number. The next word is quotient. Quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. That's a hard word to spell. Quotient. That is the number that results. You know what results mean, right? It's the answer from a division. So basically, a quotient is the answer to a division problem. You know, like product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Quotient, it's the answer to a division problem. So product is the answer to a multiplication. Quotient is an answer to a division. Okay, and the last vocabulary word for long division is the word remainder. Remainder. We all have used it when we do division. This is the amount left over. Left over. When a answer cannot be exact. Okay, so the amount left over when the answer cannot be exact. So when you're dividing, if you have something left over, that is called a remainder. Okay, those are our 4 vocabulary words: divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. Practice those 4 vocabulary words because you will see them and it might be on your quiz. Hint, hint. Okay, so whenever we have a division, I like to think about the division family. You know, in a family, right, we have the mom, dad, brother, sister, usually. Some of us have more brothers, more sisters. But this will be like your typical family of 4, okay? The normal family that you usually see like in those perfect TV shows. So we have our fact family. So I'm going to put right here, this is going to be our strategy, our fact family strategy. I'm going to put a little bubble around it so you could always remember that is what the strategy is called. The fact family strategy. Okay, in the fact family strategy, we have the dad. Then we have the mom, the sister, the brother, and their puppy, Rover. So dad, mom, sister, brother, and Rover. What does the dad stand for? These are the steps, okay? The fact family strategy. The first step that you do is you divide. The second step you do is you multiply. The third step is you subtract. Brother, you bring down. So I'm going to put a little arrow going down. And Rover, you have a remainder. Or I'm going to put this little arrow going like in a little circle. Repeat. Because you are repeating your division all over again. Back to division, multiplication, subtraction, and bringing down. So these are our division steps from our fact family strategy. Not our fact. Our division family strategy. Okay? Division family strategy. I wrote fact. I'm so sorry. You see how we teachers mess up too? Division family strategy. Sorry. If you have an eraser, you could erase that. See? That's why you should have pencils sometimes. Okay. So the division family strategy. Okay? So now we're going to have an example right here. So I'm going to divide this and I'm going to have my example because of course this is your little anchor chart that you're going to have in front of you whenever you're trying to do your division problems. Okay? So our division family strategy, division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down, remainder, or repeat. Dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover. Okay? You could think about dad, mom, sister, brother, and their puppy, what? Rover. That's their puppy dog. Okay, so let's start with our example. Our division problem will be 4,725 divided by 21. Our division problem will be 4,725 divided by 21. Okay? All right. So how do we start dividing this? Okay, first of all, we need to write the division using the little house, like the little division house that we have. Okay, so our divisor is 21. So we're going to write 21 right here. Okay, our dividend is a number that is going to be divided into, right? The big number. The number is going to be divided into, so 21 divided into 4,725. I'm doing it in the same color orange as your vocabulary word up here. 4,725 is your dividend. Your divisor is 21. We're trying to find our quotient or our answer to our division problem. Dividend, divisor, quotient will be our answer. Okay, so our step one will be we're going to do that, right? Divide. Can we divide 21 in 4? You can't, right? You can't divide 21 into 4. It's too small. So I'm just going to put a 0. And I'm going to move on to the second digit. Can I divide 21 into 47? Yes, I should because 47 is bigger. Okay, now how many times? 21 and 21 more is 42, correct? If I do 21 more, it will be too much. So the max then amount of 21 divided into 47 is 2 times. That is the maximum number of times. So I'm going to write 2. So I already divided. 21 goes into 47 2 times. Now I'm going to multiply. 21 times 2 is 42. 2. Now I'm going to subtract. That's sister. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now I have brother. I need to bring down. So I will need to bring down the number 2. Now, is this my remainder, 52? No, it's way too big. I cannot have this much left over because 21 can still go into 52. Okay, so I'm going to have to repeat. So I'm going to divide again. 21 divides into 52 how many times? 2, right? Because if I do 21 times 3, it's already 63. That's way too much. Okay, so it's only 2 times. If you want to, you could put them right here, your little factors. 21 plus 21 more, 42, 21 more is 5, 6, 63. So that's way too much. Okay, so I'm going to say it's only 2 times right here, 42. Okay, so 21 times 2 we said was 42. So I already divided. I multiplied 21 times 2, 42. Now I'm going to what? Sister? Subtract, right? So 52 minus 42 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Can't say that's my remainder yet because I still have to do brother, which is bring down. So I'm bringing down 5, which makes it 105. Is that my remainder? No, that's way too big. I have to repeat, so I have to divide again. 21 goes into 105. How many times? Well, let me keep adding right here. 21 plus 21 more is 42. 42 plus 21 is 63. 63 plus 21 is 4. 84. 21 more, it's 5. 10, that's 5. Oh, 105. Exactly 105. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It went into 105 5 times. So 21 goes into 105 5 times. That's my division. So I multiply 21 times 5, 105. My sister is going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So do I have a remainder? No. 0. Nothing's remaining. So my answer, or my quotient, will be 225. So I'm going to put right here quotient. Same thing as answer. Quotient equals 225. Make sure that you do this whenever you solve your divisions, because sometimes when you show me your work in those pictures, I cannot see the answer. I'm trying to figure it out. Where's the answer for the student? Okay? So make sure that you give me the quotient and circle it. Got it? Okay. So this is your anchor chart. You should have this already written down. I hope you didn't just watch my video and you forgot about writing this in your journal. Please make sure it's in your journal. Follow the instructions, please. Now, on the back, right here, or if you run out of space, right here, you're going to make sure that you answer all of those division problems that I'm going to post right there on Schoology. There will be for a grade. I want to see all your work. When you take a picture and you upload it to Schoology, make sure it's in one nice clear picture, one picture. If you're sending 2 pictures, you have to send them at the same time. I don't want you to submit and resubmit because they will delete and I will only see the last picture. So again, send all your pictures at the same time, or send one picture nice and clear where I can see everything like this, like you can see my work, like your anchor chart. Okay? Well, any questions, let me know. You already know, Dojo or text. All right, have a good afternoon.